Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.3 question number 3. Identify the following expressions, that is addition, subtraction, division, multiplication in forming the following expressions and tell how the expressions have been formed. Right? In question A you see question A there are four expressions. Here you see number A is z plus 1, z plus 1. Now the question is tell how the expressions have been formed and identify the operations. Right? Here it says operation used, operation, operation used is, here you see the operation is plus. Here you see the operation is plus. Therefore you can say operation used is addition. Addition. This is the operation used here. Addition means plus. Right? This is plus. Now how the expressions have been formed. Here you see one is added to variable z and expression have been formed. One is added to variable z. One is added to variable z, right? The next expression is z minus 1, z minus 1. Therefore, you can say operation used, operation operation used, operation used is subtraction. Operation used is subtraction, or you can say it as minus. This is the operation. And one is 5 plus 17. And how the expression have been formed? That is 1 is subtracted, 1 is subtracted, 1 is subtracted, 1 is subtracted from variable z, from variable, subtracted from variable z. In this way the expression have been formed, right? Next one is y plus 17. Next one is y plus 17, y plus 17. Here also you see y plus 17, operation is addition. Therefore operation used is addition. Addition, and that is plus, right? And how the expression have been formed? That is 17 is added. 17 is added to variable variable y. This is the expression. Next one is y minus 17. Y minus 17. Next one is y. Here we are writing y minus 17. Here also you see that operation used is subtraction. Operation use subtraction, and that is minus, right? And here you can see that 17 is subtracted from variable y. 17 is subtracted 17 is subtracted from subtracted from variable y, from variable from variable y, right? This is how we solve question number A. Now we'll solve question number B, right? Now we'll solve question number B. Now question number B, you see. Question number B is first one. Question number B, 17y, 17y, right? Here you see 17y means here there is no sign, that means there is a sign of multiplication, right? That is 17 into y. Therefore, you can say that operation used is multiplication. Used is multiplication. Operation used is multiplication. That is multiply, right? And how the expression is formed? That is 17 is multiplied 17 is multiplied with variable y, right? This is one expression. And next one is y by 17. Y by 17. By means division. That means y divided by 7, right? Therefore, operation used is division. Therefore, operation used is division. Operation used is division. That is divided by, right? Now, how the expression is formed is y is divided by 7. Variable y, variable y is divided by 17. Next one is 5z, right? This is 5z. 5z means 5 multiplies z, right? Therefore, operation used, we can say operation used is multiplication. Is multiplication or into this one, right? And how the expression has been formed? That variable z, which is variable z is multiplied. Variable z is multiplied. Variable z is multiplied with 5. Multiplied with 5. In this way, expression have been formed. Now we shall solve question number C. What is question number C? You see, question number C is that is 2y plus 17. Question number C is, you see, the question number C, 2y plus 17. Here you see, operation used is plus or addition. Then we can say operation used is addition. used is addition, or you can say plus. How the expression is formed? That is 2y plus 17. That is that is variable variable y is multiplied with 2, y is multiplied with 2 and added to 17. In this way, the expression have been formed. Next one is 2y minus 17. 2y minus 17. Here you see the operation used is minus. Operation used is subtraction. Used is subtraction, that is minus, right? And how the expression is formed? Here you see variable y variable variable y is multiplied with 2. Variable y is variable y is multiplied with 2 and subtract 7 and subtract 7. Okay, in this way the variable have been formed. We solve the question number C. Next we'll solve question number D. Here you see question number D is now question number D. Here you see question number D is the first one is 7m, right? 7m means 7 multiply m, therefore operation is multiplication. Operation used is multiplication. Operation used is multiplication, and we can say that variable m is multiplied with 7. In this way the variable expression have been found. Next question is minus 7m plus 3. Next one is minus 7m plus 3. Here you see there are two symbols, that is one is plus, one is minus. Therefore operation used is addition and subtraction both. Operation used is addition and subtraction both, addition and subtraction both, right? And how the expression have been formed? That is how the expression have been formed: minus 7 plus 3m. That is minus 7m plus 3. Minus 7m means 3, that is minus 7m plus 3. That is, you can write in this way that m is multiplied. M is multiplied. A variable m is multiplied. Variable m is multiplied with minus 7 and added to 3 and added to 3. In this way, the expression have been formed. Next question is minus 7m minus 3. Minus 7m minus 7m minus 3. Here you see the variable used is subtraction, right? Minus 7m and minus 7. The operation used is subtraction, right? Is subtraction or minus, right? And how the expression have been formed? That is variable m, that is variable m is multiplied. Variable is multiplied with minus 7. Variable m is multiplied with minus 7 and subtract 7 and subtract 7, right? That is, in this way you can form the various expression, right? Question number D, once again we are repeating. 7m means operation used in multiplication because 7 into multiply, that is into m, right? Therefore operation used is multiplication and the expression is variable m is multiplied with 7. Minus 7m plus 3, operation used is addition and subtraction both, and variable m is multiplied with minus 7 and added to 3. Minus 7m minus 7, operation used is subtraction, in this case minus 7 m and minus 7. Therefore variable m is multiplied with 7 and subtract the number 7. This is the expression. This is the solution of question number 3 of exercise 11.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.